Hey there! Welcome back to another lesson. Today, we'll be reviewing a set of must-know English phrases and their variations that can easily boost your conversational skills. We'll put these phrases into a natural conversation so you can see how they fit into everyday situations. Let's dive in. Don't forget to read along out loud. A list of all the phrases used in this conversation are in order at the end of the video.
That's a tough one. The client is asking for a complete redesign in such a short time.
That's tricky. It's not easy to meet those demands without sacrificing quality.
That's not easy at all, especially with our limited resources.
That's a hard question. Do we prioritize speed or quality in this case?
That's challenging. Maybe we can balance both?
That's a bit complicated, but let's break it down. What's the next step?
What comes next is figuring out the design layout. Where do we go from here?
What's the plan from here? Should we finalize the layout first or start on the content?
What's the next move? I think we should tackle the layout first. How do we proceed?
Yeah, layout first makes sense. By the way, how did you do that presentation so quickly last time?
How did I manage that? Well, I have a few shortcuts that I use.
What's your secret? You finished it in no time.
How exactly did I pull that off? Just some practice and templates.
How did you figure that out? I've been trying to improve my workflow.
How were you able to do that so fast? It's impressive.
I'd love to help you streamline your process. I have a few tips.
Thanks. I'd be happy to help with the design once you show me your tricks.
I'm here if you need any help. Just let me know what you need.
Let me know how I can help during the final review.
I'm available if you need help getting the layout ready.
Great! Count me in to help with the content editing later.
Sounds good. What's the verdict on the color scheme, by the way?
What's the final decision? We went with a minimalist palette.
What's your call on the fonts? Should we stick with the standard ones?
What's your judgment? I think the minimalist design will work better.
What did you decide on the icon set?
We're going with simple, modern icons. What's the outcome of your review on the animations?
They're approved, so I'll handle it from here.
I'll take care of it once you're done with the first draft.
I've got this, no worries.
All right, leave it to me for the content part.
I'll manage it, but I might need a second opinion later.
I'll sort it out if anything else comes up during the final check.
Okay, I appreciate it. And honestly, you've got a point about keeping it minimalist.
Yeah, that's a good point you made earlier about not overcrowding the design.
I see your point now. Simplicity is key.
You're onto something. Clean and simple is definitely the way to go.
You make a valid argument. It's easy to get carried away with details.
Exactly. I get where you're coming from. Less is more in this case.
So let's keep moving and see what happens after we send it to the client.
Let's wait and see. They might request a few minor changes, but nothing drastic.
We'll find out soon enough. Let's not stress over it just yet.
True. We'll cross that bridge when we get there.
Let's play it by ear once they respond.
Time will tell. In the meantime, let's make sure everything's ready.
All right, let me handle it from here. I'll check the layout one last time.
I'll deal with it after the feedback comes in.
Sounds good. I think that's enough for now.
That will do. We've covered most of the tasks.
We've heard enough. Let's wait for the client's response before we make more changes.
That's all we need for today, right?
Let's stop here. We've done a great job so far.
That's plenty. Time to take a break.
Agreed. And hey, thanks for all your help. I got your back on this project.
Of course, I'm here for you whenever you need support.
I'll support you with the final draft, too.
I'll back you up if any issues come up later.
You can count on me. We're a solid team.
I'm with you all the way. Let's finish this strong.
Let's call it quits for today.
Let's wrap it up. We deserve a break.
Let's end it here. We can continue tomorrow.
Time to stop. We've done enough.
Let's bring this to a close. Great work today.
And that's a wrap. Today, we went through more than 60 useful phrases and variations that can help you in everyday conversations. Whether you're discussing plans, offering help, or trying to figure out the next steps, these phrases will make you sound natural and fluent. Practice using them in your daily life, and you'll see a huge improvement. If you enjoyed the lesson, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.